off playing a D minor in the right hand twice. That's D, F, A, and a D up here. Next chord, A minor, you'll play that 3 times. That's A, C, E, and an A up here. Next chord, C major. That's C, E, G, and a C up here. You'll play that 12 times. That's 2, 4, 6, 8. The last 4 you'll play in one beat. Then you'll jump back up to the D minor. That's what you learned earlier. Now this time around, when you play the C major, you're going to play it twice. Rest. Play it twice again. Rest. Play it twice again. Then play the 4 right after that in one beat. It'll be... So altogether it's... Then you'll jump back to the beginning. Then repeat. Now the left and the right hand play the chords at the same time. The notes in the left hand are octave Ds. So D here and a D here. You play it twice. Then jump down to octave A's. You play that 3 times. And that's an A here and an A here. Then you'll do this on, you'll jump up to octave C's. And that's a C here and a C here. So just as you did in the right hand, you're playing this 12 times. Second time around, jump back up to the D's. Then you jump back up to the C's. Then repeat the whole loop. So putting that all together, it's... Then repeat at the D's. Now putting both hands together and played slow. And the pedals used when you transition between new chords. So I'd hold it there, I'd release and hold it here. Release, then hold it here. And actually, once I hold it, I only hold it on the first chord, and then that's it. I won't hold the pedal after that because I'm playing staccato. When I get back up here and I transition to this chord, I'm holding the pedal and releasing again. So that's pretty much how the song goes.